Lesson 5. Part 2. Exercises. Now continue with the exercises. This is Part 2. Exercise 2. Answer yes or no. Read each sentence. Exercise 3. Answer the questions. Follow the example. Exercise 4. Complete with who, is, or are. Grammar note. Who replaces persons in English grammar? In stories, animals and plants are like human beings. That's why we use who to refer to them. For example, who is your cat? My cat is Coco. End of exercises. Follow my lessons if you want to improve your English. Goodbye.